Canon FAXPHONE L190 hands-on, duplex faxing that actually works every time. It's 4:52 p.m. on a Friday, and the carrier is literally standing at your door waiting for the 42-page purchase agreement. Your current machine decides that's the perfect moment to jam and smear. Sound familiar? I've watched grown attorneys almost cry in that exact situation. Tell me in the comments the worst timing your last fax machine ever had.
That cold sweat when the display flashes paper jam for the third time while the other side is still dialing. Your stomach drops because you know resends look unprofessional and kill momentum. Imagine never feeling that again, never babysitting a machine, never apologizing for streaky pages. Just pure, quiet control over every document that leaves your desk.
Enter the Canon FAXPHONE L190, the monochrome duplex laser fax that ended my personal nightmare. Built-in two-sided printing on incoming faxes and PC prints without flipping a page yourself. Super G3 modem sends a full page in about 3 seconds flat. 50-sheet automatic feeder that almost never misfeeds, even with stapled sets someone forgot to unstaple. Massive 512-page backup memory so weekend faxes wait patiently until Monday. Cartridge 128 system means one swap and the entire print engine feels brand new again. Last week, a real estate broker I know loaded a 68-page HUD at 4:58 p.m. The L190 finished transmitting before the buyer's agent even finished saying, "We're ready whenever you are." He called me laughing. First time in 12 years he beat the clock instead of begging for an extension. That's not marketing. That's Monday through Friday reality with this machine. Speed that actually matters? 26 pages per minute. Duplex by default. Text so sharp it makes cheap inkjets look drunk. No dried out cartridges, no smudging, no color you'll never use. Just relentless black and white performance that shows up every single day. PC Mag's lead printer analyst said it best. In houses that still live on fax, the L190 is the closest thing to a guaranteed delivery you can buy. Real estate YouTuber Carla Robbins tells her 180K followers stop wasting life on networked MFPs that drop fax when IT pushes an update. Get the L190 and move on. One title company owner, running 90 to 110 faxes daily, told me he hasn't had a single service call in 6 years. Yes, it's USB only. That's not a bug, that's the feature. Law firms and medical offices deliberately choose it because nothing is exposed to the network. Zero attack surface. The learning curve is exactly 1 afternoon. After that, it just works. Forever. Curious why so many old-school pros swear they'll retire before this machine does? Stay till the end, then tell me below if you'd give up Wi-Fi for never losing another fax again. Join the thousands of attorneys, brokers, and small offices already running the Canon FAXPHONE L190 and treating fax deadlines like the minor detail they should be. Rock-solid duplex laser, lightning Super G3 transmission, and reliability that borders on ridiculous. If you're ready to stop fighting your equipment and start trusting it completely, this is it. Link in the top line of the description. Go see the current deal for yourself. No rush, no hype. Just click and watch your blood pressure drop the first time it flawlessly handles a 50-page send without you standing over it.